John FLX, one of his permissions, which is called the Real Field. Got Chris Davis over there preserving the past. And I just got nice buckle. Right out of the hole over here. With the Manticore. And it's beautiful. It's got a little green patina to it.
Is that your first buckle with the Manticore?
Brass. Oh yeah, I barely use the Manticore.
Well, that's a good way to start.
Yeah.
That's an early one.
Love it. I also dug a button earlier. Let me get that out of my pocket. John's on the board. You got a tom back and a musket ball. Chris got a couple buttons. So we're hitting it today. It's the dimple button, I call it. So off to a good start. Haven't been here that long. Okay, we're in an area now where there's a lot of pottery, bricks and stuff, and it was lots of nails, so I switched to the small donut coil on my Equinox, and I just pulled out this, which is an ox knob, which they would put on the horn of an oxen so they wouldn't, I guess, be able to spear other ox with their horns, is my understanding. So I got that. I did dig a coin. It's just a weedy, but it's a 100-year-old weedy, nice and green patina, 1918. And I'm not sure if I showed this button yet. Another flat button. And earlier, very cool buckle. Still fine to the day as far as I'm concerned. John's over there working. He's doing a TikTok live. Chris wandered way back into that corner. He just sent a picture of, I think it was a dandy button. He dug the large set. So it's a beautiful day out here in the Finger Lakes. Enjoying detecting and good times with friends.
I am now a Kelly Co affiliate. Please use the link in the description of this video to shop for all your treasure hunting needs. Thank you.